there was a pretty substantial windstorm, almost category strength hurricane that rolled through western and central Iowa back in mid-August. Since then, there's all this work. The utility company, Alliant Energy, sustained a lot of damage to their infrastructure, to their pole line. So my tech was hired by Alliant to do what they're calling a post-storm audit, or a drive-through, which is pretty extensive actually. We're driving out the entire system, pole for pole, point by point. We're looking at something like this, where the storm came through, damaged one of the structures, the crews had installed a new one, and this never got updated on Alliance system. So as far as their tracking and their ability to know where these structures are, they're not sure right now. So that's part of our job, is to document the new stuff that was installed during the storm work, and to retire or rack out all the stuff that may still be in the area. For the utility and the community in general, or as a whole, we're actually catching a lot of safety violations too. So during storm, we have all these contract crews, both internal, Alliant crews, and these contract crews that swarm an area. And it's a chaos basically at first, just to get the lights on. So at first, when you roll through and you go through one of these situations like we've seen here with all the storm damage, the first goal is to turn the lights on. So let's just get poles up and let's get wire up in the air. That's already been accomplished. We have all the customers back online. Now we're doing a more thorough drive-through where we're actually assessing structures and safety hazards. So public safety is huge right now. There's still hazards. For example, right here, you can see a pole that's still laying in somebody's yard or in the county right-of-way. That could be that is a public safety hazard. So we want to get that cleaned up. There may be transformers that are laying in a ditch line somewhere, just set off to the side, that never got returned back to the warehouse to be recycled properly. Better continuity of service, and we're looking for the electrical integrity and making sure that all NESC code violations and Iowa Utility Board items have been addressed.